given us health and safety that can activities present to this change for Serena Kartik and thus forget selawat dan salam to our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam who brought us from stupidity, clever, and from darkness to business people. My honorable to headmaster who is Ma'am Adam Arma Asmidi and honorable to teacher and my loved friends or students distinctly one attendant in this school. This moment I would like to thank you brothers and sisters are as strong as one is to young life and next forget. I feel last time to until now we have to take our book. I hope forgive me and us. I hope that your class and then graduate and successful and will continue for the next high school. The new class will be the new class the new class goodbye. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.